Today we've got one of my favorites, a 65 Pontiac GTO. It's documented by Pontiac Historical Service. It was born this color, real GTO 4-speed car. It's been in the same family since the early 1980s, and it went through a complete body off frame to a bare shell on a rotisserie restoration. It has ram air, upgraded disc brakes at all four wheels. Now it has a Tremec 5-speed in there. You can go to volocars.com where you can look at our complete inventory, and that's where you'll find a price tag on every car along with a monthly finance option. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. And if you enjoy the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when these are posted. So we'll start up front here. It has the GTO scooped hood. They actually put a screen in here, but that is functional. That's open. And this is straight, square, lines up, long, flat panels. They're really nice and straight. All this is in great shape, smooth at the bottom. Rocker panels, smooth and clean. Door shuts real nice. Roof is straight. All this is clean, straight metal. I don't see any issues with the body. It's been completely restored. There's no rust or damage. It's finished in 2015, I think it was, so it's 8 years old, and it looks like it was just done. That's a good thing. All clean, straight, nice crisp lines. I always had a pinstripe on mine. I like that little bump up right there, but just one line all the way down, maybe red that popped from the emblem would look sharp. Clean. Door sticks out just a touch at the bottom here. Shuts fine. Gap is a little bit wide right here. And at the back of the hood, that seems a little wide. But overall, it's a really nice, clean body. So it's repainted. It's original. I think it's called Fontaine Blue. It's a really nice, shiny finish. The metal flake is laid out evenly everywhere. It's not blotchy. And again, just a nice clear coat, smooth, glossy finish. I don't really see any chips or damage or cracking, anything like that. There are some little water spots, might be etched into the paint. If you look for it on the roof and the hood, there's some water spots on there. Now you can kind of see the ring. The windshield's crystal clear, that's new. I'm sure all this stainless trim has been replaced. It looks like new. This is anodized trim up on top of the doors. It's not as shiny as stainless, and I'm going to say it's very good. It's straight, but it's a little dull. Vent window frame, the chrome is excellent. The rubber is replaced. Original door handle has a few little pits. Rear window looks new. Trim is real nice. There's LED lights behind here. The 65 GTO, I like the sleek, mysterious taillights. Probably not the safest thing, so they did upgrade them with LEDs. The center panel looks new. The taillights are very good original. Bumpers re-chromed, emblems are replaced. 19-inch BG is on the cap here, wheels with some performance tires. All the trim on this side, just like I described the other side. GTO emblem looks new. Let's see how it is up front. Headlight bezel, very good original. Bumper is re-chromed. Grills look to be very good original. They've been painted and cleaned up real nice. So all that looks real good. Why don't we open it up? I'll show you that ram air engine. All right, I'm going to show you a nice clean trunk compartment. So underneath is painted gloss black. It's really slick. The jamb is painted like the car. The weather strip is replaced. The entire inside is all clean, rust-free metal. It's been spatter painted and then clear coated over to make it more durable. It has a two-piece mat, no jack or spare. Well, I started off saying this is one of my favorites because I've owned 3 or 4 65 GTOs myself personally, and I just enjoy them. I think they're nice, good-looking cars, and I just have a lot of memories with them. Door jambs are all painted and clear-coated, real slick. Weather strips are replaced. Door panels, armrest, window cranks, all replaced. And then the inside metal is painted. This is like black glass. Tops of the doors, the dash. And this car was born with the rally gauge package. It has a cool checkered flag, the tachometer, the gauges. All this is in beautiful shape, has the grab bar, nice clean glove box, light works in there. Has a digital retro stereo in the factory location. Down on the floor, we got new carpet, reproduction Pontiac mats, a couple wrinkles here in the carpet. Got the 5-speed Tremec shifter. GTO seats, all nice and firm, rebuilt. They're nice and plump. Got seat belts. Remember, those are still an option in 65. Yeah, the upholstery is excellent. Got floor mats in the back. The rear is all redone. The seat belts, the upholstery, the side panels, the armrest. You got a couple 6x9 speakers on the rear shelf to go with that stereo. Headliner, all nice and tight. It's all new. Dome light works. Visors look new. The mirror's new. Upgraded, nice thick walnut column or steering wheel. We have to get used to the ignition being way over there. That's the way they came. I got a lot of compliments with mine. I had one this color, I had a silver one, I had a burgundy one. So that is a 400 motor, completely rebuilt by a company in Janesville, Wisconsin. Up on top is an Edelbrock intake, it's been painted blue with a, a Holley carb under there with the electric choke. And this is a functional ram air. The hood scoop's been open, so the air is forced into this here, fresh air right into the motor. It has some cool vintage style finned aluminum valve covers. Does have a set of headers down there. And you see the engine bay is painted just a high gloss, smooth, shiny finish. So the front of the motor has all the aluminum pulleys. And we have an aluminum radiator with an electric fan, aluminum overflow bottle. And we also have power steering, power brakes with a dual reservoir. I had a single reservoir. It was on a 4th of July. I drove right into my garage. I came home and smashed right into the garage. This is for a hydraulic clutch. Again, everything's painted real nice and slick. The battery's bolted down properly. It's a good looking motor compartment. Caleb's going to go take you for a drive and show you how it works.
Yet again, we have another beautiful GTO. It's got a 400 and a 5-speed in it. This is the Restomod 65. Gorgeous car. So we're gonna take her around the block, see how she does. Show you that these cars, not only are they just good to look at, you can also drive them. Fully functional. So far it feels very solid over the bumps. It's not a super firm ride, but it's not too soft either. Kind of that happy medium, what you would expect on a fresh restoration with fresh suspension. Steering's real nice. The brakes are touchy, so those stop on a dime. They're not pulling left or right, and I don't feel them dragging at all. Power steering's flawless on this. Try the turn signal. Lights up on the dash. We'll see if she cancels and get her up to speed. Solid shifts through the gears. Clutch feels great. We're flying right now. This thing just cruises straight, smooth as can be. Awesome car. You'll be proud to drive this one around. This feels really good. Of course, everything's functional. You got the wipers, the horn. It's a loud horn at that. It does have the retro stereo in it. Oh, I went too far. That does work though. It has, I believe, the Bluetooth or aux port that goes into the glove box there. Got the heat on. That's blowing. Yep, blows warm. Looks really good. All the gauges are working on the dash. Man, I love these 5-speeds. It just shifts right into gear. It's almost like you're clicking into gear. It feels nice and notchy. Beautiful car. People are turning their heads staring at it. This could be you right now, sitting where I am. All you got to do is click that buy now button, guys. So there you have it, the Restomod GTO.
So as I was saying, this was on a rotisserie down to a bare shell. We actually have some photos of the restoration. They're posted on our website, along with an early, like 1980s photograph. And it's an old yellowed picture with the guy standing next to it, which I thought was kind of cool. But underneath the car, all beautiful, glossy. The suspension, chassis, all looks like that. It's all rebuilt, all the steering, suspension. Fuel systems completely replaced, including the tank. I mentioned the brake systems all redone and upgraded with drilled and slotted discs at all 4 of the wheels. E-brake is hooked up. Has a custom stainless steel exhaust system with the X-pipe. Tail pipes are kind of tucked up there and they're turned down tips. I'm curious if all the glass is new. I meant to roll the windows up. So everything under the car looks great. Yeah, it's crystal clear glass, so I'll write it in my ad. If all the glass, I'll check it. Look up at the motor, it's still spotless. Has a high torque starter, has a Tremec transmission with the hydraulic clutch, rebuilt drive shaft. So just beautiful underneath. Go to volocars.com where you can read more about it. You'll be able to talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions like how do you get this delivered to your driveway and how do you get it financed. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel now and click that bell icon so you're notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.